Hello and welcome to the Fabrico.Design channel. We develop professional sewing patterns and make them available to every woman. Using our patterns and video instructions, you can easily sew any garment at home and feel like a designer.
And today, we are going to sew a balaclava Taiga, men's balaclava covering the neck. Adjustable drawstring on the front, they're fastened with an elastic band. Front piece covers the nose. For sewing, we will need the patterns, main fabric, fleece, threads to match. We are using lighter shade threads so that the seams are better visible in the video. Hat elastic, 0.7 centimeters wide, elastic, 2 grommets, 1 fastener, sewing accessories. As usual, you can download the PDF pattern of this garment below the video in the description box. Let's start cutting. Be sure to decate the material so that the fabric does not shrink while sewing. Follow the direction of the grain line. It is indicated on the patterns. Transfer all control marks. After cutting, be sure to check the number of pieces according to the pattern specifications. We have the front, 1 piece with a fold. The side, 2 pieces. The central piece, 1 piece with a fold. The right piece, 1 piece with a fold. A drawstring, 1 piece with a fold. Please note that on the drawstring piece, we interface the place for the grommets. We're moving on to the assembly. Place the side pieces face to face on the front of the balaclava and stitch them together with an overlocker. Press the seam allowances onto the side of the balaclava. View from the inside, view from the front. Next, stitch the central piece to the stitched pieces of the balaclava, placing the pieces face to face. After stitching, press seam allowances to the center and also press the bottom of the balaclava along the notches to the inside. We pressed it towards the center, also press the bottom of the balaclava along the notches and overlock the raw edge. Next, using a needle or hook, hide the threads into the stitch. Secure the ironed bottom with needles and top stitch with a double needle or on a cover stitch machine. Iron. This is how it should look. Let's make the drawstring. On the drawstring piece, interface the space for the grommets. Next, we press the drawstring lengthwise and in half with the wrong side inward, like this. Next, we stitch it into a ring. We iron the ease allowances. This is what you should get. We mark the location of the grommets, using the patterns, and install them. We put the hat on the bottom like this. And the second one, we recommend making a hole that is not very big. This is what you get. We have prepared a hat elastic band of the required length, a clamp, and now thread the elastic band through the clamp and then through the grommets and tie a knot tightly. The knot inside the drawstring should be tied very tightly. The tails can be trimmed, but not too close, so that it does not come undone later. Cut off the elastic of the required length and stitch it with the overlocker to the wrong side of the upper edge of the front piece. That is, apply and fasten the elastic band to the wrong side. It will be with a slight tension. Therefore, it is necessary to distribute it under the line on the overlocker. This is how we got it. Next, fold it to the wrong side and stitch along the edge of the ease allowance with the elastic band. This is what you should get. Iron, press it lightly. And now we pin the drawstring to the balaclava face to face, the front piece to the drawstring, and stitch it with the overlocker with one stitch in a circle. The elastic band is inside. We align the cuts. This is how it should turn out. Now, we hide the thread from the overlocker in the seam. Turn it inside out. Iron press the ready garment.
Thanks for sewing with us. Subscribe to our channel and publish your photos in different social medias and tag us. You can find the link to our website in the description box below the video.